Hello and welcome back to the channel. I've had a delivery today and it's something I've bought off Amazon, so if you want to see what it is, please carry on and watch this video and hopefully it may improve the sound on my videos. I'll show you what it is. So what I've had delivered is, you can see it, a wireless lavalier microphone. I've been wanting one of these, but the DJI and the Rode ones are way out of my price range and I can't really justify spending that much money on it. So I've read reviews on Amazon regarding this and it was just under £30. It's a nondescript. Its UK rep is Tost Consulting Limited, and of course it's made in China. So we'll open it up and we'll see what's in the box. I'm not going to let you go through. I'll just show you what's in box. Okay. Right, so I've put on a piece of white paper because my desk is black, so that's not the best way of doing it. So what you get in the box is a microphone receiver which goes on your camera, 2 lavalier microphones, a cable that'll suit my DJI Pocket and also my action camera. You get a USB 2 to USB 2 lead and a USB 2 to, I think it's lightning fire for iPhones anyway. USB 1 to USB-C, probably charge lead, 2 wind muffs and instruction manual. So what I'll probably do is charge these up and we'll come back in a bit and try them out. So I've now got them all charged up. This volume is just through the DJI action camera microphones. So what I'll do now is I'll plug them in, I'll show you how I've got it set up, and then we'll go through different settings and see what they sound like. Right, so that's on the action camera. As you can see, I've got the microphone adapter in. The cable, I might have to, don't look right, does it? But that's the receiver on top. So this is just through my DJI Pocket camera sound. Right, so reading through the settings now, this is the receiver on top of the camera, which is on full volume, and the microphone is on full volume because the light is green. So we'll see what this sounds like, then we'll change the setting. So I have now changed the setting. So the receiver has now got the orange light on, which is the lower volume, and the microphone has got the orange light on to say it's on lower volume. So what I shall do now is take the reverb off. So to take the reverb off, there's 2 buttons here. That's the volume and that's the reverb. So if I press that, it should just flash twice. So hopefully you've noticed a difference now. So I'll put my mic back on, we'll try it again. So that's it now with the reverb off. So hopefully that does sound a lot better. And we've still got orange light on the receiver and orange light on the microphone. So I've got 2 microphones, but I don't think Karen will wear one of them, so it's a spare really. So what I'll do now is put the wind muff on, and we'll see whether that makes any difference. So the actual wind muff has got little lugs on it, so it physically sits in and twists, and you've got it all there. So we'll see what that sounds like. Right, so that's with the wind muff on. I'm trying to talk at the same level all the time. I'm in quite an echoey room as well. So I've got the receiver with the orange light on, which means it's the lower volume, and I've got the orange light on there as well. So what I'll do is go for a little walk to the back of the house and forward and back. It's about 25 foot, something like that away, and it's through a couple of walls. So we'll see what that sounds like. Right, so I'm off for my little walk. Here we go. So remember, I've got the wind muff on and it's set to low volume and no reverb. So I'm hoping that is sounding good. If not, I'll be sending it back. So we'll see how we go. I think I've played about with it enough now just to do the recording for the final video of the review of it. So I'm going to walk my way through now. So I'm now walking along the back bedroom, and I am now right at the back window. It's getting rather breezy and still raining out there. That's the reason I'm doing it in the house. So I wouldn't go any further away from the camera than this anyway. So let's see how that sounds. Fingers crossed that it all sounds good. So I'm going to come back. I'm going to upload this footage and we'll see what it's like. So that's my own personal little review on this microphone that I bought, and like I say, it was less than £30 off Amazon. What I might do is leave a link to it in the description below. So if you see that one and you think it sounds okay, if you'd like to leave a comment as well, that whether you think it's improved the audio on my videos compared to just using the microphone on the DJI Action. I'm also going to use it on my Pocket as well once I can suss out some way of how to use it. So fingers crossed that will help a bit. I have got a little adapter, so I might show you that now of how I'm going to do it. Right, so that will be my setup for my DJI Pocket. So I've got the adapter in the bottom there and the cable, so I can manage to do what I need to do. So I'm going to try it on my DJI Pocket, which I showed you earlier on, and we'll see what it sounds like on that. This is the internal mic on the DJI Pocket. I've now attached the wireless receiver, and I'm using the Lavalier Mic, wireless Lavalier Mic. Hopefully the sound has improved on the DJI Pocket. So we'll just see how things go. To tell you the truth, I'm quite impressed actually. Now I've got them settings right. It's just your receiver always goes to the loud, so you have to make sure you set it down to the lower volume. Right, we'll finish the video off. So I just need to modify the cables a little bit, and I think I'm going to be happy with it. So don't forget, leave me a comment what you think and whether it's improved the sound. And if you've liked what you've seen, don't forget, give me that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, there's varying different things on the channel. And I hope you enjoy watching what videos are on the channel. So if you do, please consider subscribing. And also, if you click that little notification bell, it'll tell you when we've uploaded some more videos. So until the next video, we'll say goodbye for now. Goodbye.